Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my used car pick of the week, the 2016 Toyota Camry. Now Apple Chevy is offering over $1,000 in savings on this specific vehicle. Now this vehicle has 22,537 miles, which is actually 8,640 miles below market average. It has never been in an accident and comes custom with our 17-inch alloy rims. Now, when we get in this vehicle, we can see that we do have a mixture of a leather and cloth seating throughout the entire vehicle. Now, we have a fairly large center console. You can flip this front button up to connect to your USB or anything you need to plug in. It has a standard touchscreen display. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys have a great day.